Looking for that perfect adults-only getaway where luxury meets paradise? Excellence Playa Mujeres might just be your answer. This five-star resort sits pretty in one of Mexico's most exclusive areas, just north of Cancun's bustling hotel zone. Since opening its doors in 2012, this place has been making waves in the luxury travel scene, and honestly, it's not hard to see why. The colonial-style architecture blended with modern touches creates an atmosphere that screams sophistication without being stuffy. What really sets this place apart is its commitment to keeping things adults-only, which means no screaming kids at the pool or crying babies during your romantic dinner. The resort sprawls across pristine beachfront property with lush tropical gardens that make you feel like you've stepped into a postcard. Recent renovations in 2023 and 2024 have only added to its appeal, with upgraded suites featuring smart room technology and an expanded spa that'll make you want to extend your stay indefinitely. The accommodations here are nothing short of impressive, starting with a junior suite garden view at around 592 square feet. These aren't your typical cramped hotel rooms. We're talking spacious open-plan layouts with either a king bed or two doubles, depending on your preference. Every suite comes loaded with premium amenities including air conditioning that actually works, flat-screen TVs, minibars that don't require a second mortgage to use, and Nespresso machines for those who can't function without their morning caffeine fix. The real showstopper, though, is the jacuzzi tub right on your balcony, perfect for those romantic evenings or just unwinding after a day of doing absolutely nothing. If you're willing to splurge a bit more, the Ocean View Suites offer stunning sunrise views that'll make those early mornings worth it. The one-bedroom suites bump up the space to about 807 square feet with separate living areas, while the two-bedroom suites at nearly 1,300 square feet are perfect for couples traveling together who still want their own space. At the top of the luxury ladder sits the presidential suite at over 1,600 square feet, complete with butler service and exclusive VIP access that makes you feel like actual royalty. Prices range from around $350 to over $2,000 per night depending on the season and suite type, but considering what you get, many guests find the value reasonable for this level of luxury. When it comes to dining, Excellence Playa Mujeres doesn't mess around with 9 restaurants and 11 bars spread across the property. Bordeaux brings classic French fine dining to the Caribbean with dishes like duck confit and escargot that would make a Parisian chef proud. The formal dress code here means you'll need to pack something fancier than flip-flops, but the candlelit atmosphere and wine pairings make it worth the effort. For those craving authentic Mexican flavors, Agave serves up everything from traditional tacos al pastor to contemporary mole poblano that'll have you questioning every Mexican restaurant back home. The tequila tastings here are legendary, and Taco Tuesdays have become something of a resort tradition. Spacious takes you on an Asian fusion journey with fresh sushi, authentic pad thai, and dim sum that rivals what you'd find in major cities. The grill satisfies carnivorous cravings with premium steaks and fresh lobster tail grilled to perfection. For more casual dining, Café de la Playa offers beachfront meals where you can literally dip your toes in the sand while enjoying fresh salads and gourmet sandwiches. The 11 bars scattered throughout the resort ensure you're never more than a few steps away from your favorite cocktail, whether you prefer swim-up service or the sophisticated atmosphere of the piano bar. The cigar lounge caters to aficionados with premium selections and aged spirits. Most restaurants require reservations for dinner, which speaks to their popularity among guests who often find themselves trying to book multiple nights at their favorites. The pool situation here is absolutely fantastic with 6 different pools catering to various moods and preferences. The main attraction is the infinity pool that seems to blend seamlessly with the ocean horizon, creating those Instagram-worthy shots that'll make your friends back home seriously jealous. The swim-up bars mean you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink, and the poolside service ensures you can spend entire days lounging without a care in the world. Pool depths range from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, perfect for both swimming laps and just floating around with a cocktail. The jacuzzi pools scattered throughout offer more intimate settings for couples looking to escape the busier main pool areas. Cabanas are available for rent if you want that extra level of privacy and service. The beach itself stretches for about a kilometer of pristine white sand meeting crystal-clear turquoise waters that look like something from a travel magazine. Beach service includes comfortable lounge chairs, umbrellas for shade, and towel service so you don't have to worry about lugging anything around. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy complimentary kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment, while sailing excursions can be arranged for those wanting to explore beyond the immediate shoreline. The calm waters make it perfect for swimming, and the gradual slope means you can wade out quite far before it gets deep. Beach staff regularly rake the sand and ensure everything stays pristine, while servers make rounds offering drinks and light snacks so you never have to leave your perfect spot in the sun. Activities at Excellence Playa Mujeres cater to both active guests and those preferring more relaxed pursuits. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment that rivals many standalone gyms. Group fitness classes include yoga sessions that take advantage of the beautiful ocean views, Pilates classes for core strengthening, and aqua aerobics in the pools that somehow make exercise feel like fun. Personal training sessions can be arranged for those wanting more focused attention or specific fitness goals during their vacation. The resort regularly organizes tennis tournaments and beach volleyball games for competitive spirits, while cultural activities include cooking classes where you can learn to make authentic Mexican dishes and tequila tastings that educate as much as they entertain. Evening entertainment features live music performances ranging from local mariachi bands to contemporary acoustic sets, plus professional dance shows that showcase Mexican culture and Caribbean influences. Themed parties happen weekly, with events like Caribbean Nights featuring steel drum bands and white parties that transform the resort into an elegant evening celebration. The activities team does an excellent job of organizing group events without being pushy, so you can participate as much or as little as you prefer. Excursions to nearby attractions can be arranged through the concierge, including trips to ancient Mayan ruins, cenote swimming adventures, and fishing expeditions for those wanting to explore beyond the resort boundaries. The spa and wellness facilities deserve special mention as they expanded significantly in 2024, adding new treatment rooms and enhanced amenities that elevate the relaxation experience. Traditional massages range from Swedish and deep tissue to hot stone therapies that melt away tension accumulated from months of work stress. Signature treatments incorporate Mayan healing rituals using indigenous ingredients and techniques passed down through generations, offering authentic cultural experiences alongside physical relaxation. Couples massage rooms provide intimate settings for romantic spa experiences, complete with champagne service and private relaxation areas. Facial treatments use high-end products and techniques that leave your skin glowing, while body wraps and scrubs utilize natural ingredients like sea salt and tropical oils. The hydrotherapy facilities include pools at different temperatures designed to improve circulation and reduce muscle tension, while saunas and steam rooms provide additional ways to detoxify and unwind. Reflexologist sessions focus on pressure points in feet and hands to promote overall wellness, and aromatherapy treatments incorporate essential oils for both physical and mental benefits. The spa operates from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, and booking in advance is highly recommended as appointments fill up quickly, especially during peak seasons. Wellness programs extend beyond individual treatments to include guided meditation sessions on the beach at sunrise, yoga classes in pavilions overlooking the ocean, and nutrition consultations for those interested in maintaining healthy habits during and after their vacation. Since Excellence Playa Mujeres maintains its adults-only policy, families with children will need to look elsewhere for their vacation needs. This exclusivity is actually one of the resort's biggest selling points, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and romance that's increasingly rare in today's family-focused travel market. The absence of children's facilities means more space and resources dedicated to adult amenities and experiences. Pool areas remain peaceful throughout the day. Restaurants can maintain more sophisticated atmospheres, and evening entertainment focuses on mature themes and later hours. This policy attracts couples celebrating anniversaries, honeymooners seeking romance, and groups of friends wanting to reconnect without family distractions. The resort staff is trained to cater specifically to adult preferences and needs, from late-night room service to personalized concierge services that can arrange everything from private beach dinners to surprise celebrations. While this limits the resort's appeal to families, it creates a niche market that Excellence Playa Mujeres serves exceptionally well, earning consistently high ratings from guests who appreciate the peaceful, sophisticated environment. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.